Morning guys, phonics time again. Here we go. S, a, t, p, I, n, g, o, k, k, h, o, b, m, d, e, r, and okay, and today's sound is J, the letter J, and it makes the sound J, J. Okay, let's have a go at writing it. So it starts at the top, straight down. It's another one that drops under the line. Pen off, dot. Down, under, dot. Down, under, dot. J. Oh, mine look a little bit wobbly. I'm going to do those again for you because I'm writing upside down. There we go, that's better, nice and straight. J. So remember, it curls under this way, not the other way, because that would be an I. J. Curls under this way and sits underneath the line. Okay. Let's have a look at some words. Our first word is this one. Okay, my turn, your turn. Jam, jam, your turn. Jet, jet, your turn. Jog, jog, your turn. Okay, let's have a go at writing those words. I'll see if I can get my J nice and straight this time. So the first word we want to write is jam. Let's get our robot arms ready to segment. Jam, jam. Okay, so jam. You have a go at writing that one. Okay, next one is jet. Let's segment together. Jet, jet. Jet. Let's check. Jet, jet. Now you have a go. And the last word is jog. Ready? Jog, jog. Jog, jog, jog. You have a go. Great. Okay, last job is our tricky words for this week. My turn, your turn. She, we, he, me, be. See you next time.